So you're looking for something more. Maybe you're feeling a bit stuck or just curious about what you're truly capable of. This isn't about some overnight transformation, it's about understanding how to work with what you've already got. Let's explore some practical strategies for uncovering your strengths and building a life that feels more aligned. Having a clear vision isn't about dreaming up some fantasy. It's about understanding what you want to create in your life. Sarah Blakely, for example, saw a need for better shapewear and relentlessly pursued that vision, building Spanx into a successful company. But it wasn't just about the product, it was about empowering women to feel confident in their own skin. Don't just think about the end result. Think about the process, the journey, and the values that are important to you. Here's a practical exercise. Grab a journal and spend 15 minutes writing about your ideal day 5 years from now. Where are you living? What are you doing? Who are you spending time with? What are you working on? The more specific you can get, the better. Then, identify the core values that are driving your vision. Are you motivated by creativity, connection, impact, or something else? Understanding your values will help you make decisions that are aligned with your true self. Finally, break your vision down into smaller, more manageable goals. What's one small step you can take today to move closer to your ideal future? This isn't about achieving everything at once. It's about building momentum and creating a sense of progress, a sense of self-belief. Obstacles are part of the process. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb on his first try. He went through countless experiments that didn't work. The key is to see those setbacks as learning opportunities, not as reasons to give up. As Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." But it's not just about grit and determination. It's about learning from your mistakes and adapting your approach. When you face a setback, take the time to analyze what went wrong. What could you have done differently? What did you learn from the experience? Here's a practical strategy. Keep a failure journal where you document your mistakes, analyze what went wrong, and identify lessons learned. This will help you avoid repeating the same mistakes and turn your setbacks into valuable learning experiences. Also, don't be afraid to seek feedback from others. Ask trusted friends, mentors, or colleagues for their perspective on what went wrong and how you can improve. Sometimes an outside perspective can help you see things you might have missed. Remember, resilience isn't about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it and using it as fuel to propel you forward. Big changes don't happen overnight. They're the result of small, consistent actions repeated over time. Think of Stephen King, who committed to writing every day, even when he faced rejection. That consistent effort is what ultimately led to his success. But consistency isn't just about showing up every day. It's about building sustainable habits that support your goals. Start by identifying 1 or 2 key habits that will have the biggest impact on your life. Here's a practical approach. Use the habit stacking technique, where you link a new habit to an existing one. For example, if you want to start meditating every day, you could link it to your morning coffee routine. After you make your coffee, spend 5 minutes meditating. Also use a habit tracker to monitor your progress and stay accountable. There are many apps and tools available that can help you track your habits and celebrate your wins. Remember, consistency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. Just get back on track as soon as possible and keep moving forward. Taking care of yourself is essential for long-term success. Studies show that spending just 20 minutes in nature can significantly reduce stress hormones and improve focus. But it's not just about the physical benefits. It's about connecting with something larger than yourself. Here's a practical tip. Make time for nature every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Take a walk in the park, sit by a tree, or simply look out the window and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Also, consider incorporating nature into your daily routine. Start your day with a walk in the woods, practice yoga in your backyard, or simply eat your lunch outdoors. Remember, nature isn't just a place to escape, it's a source of inspiration, healing, and renewal. Make it a priority to connect with nature regularly, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your life. Doubt and distraction are inevitable. The key is to develop strategies for managing them. It's not about eliminating negative thoughts, it's about learning how to respond to them in a healthy and constructive way. Here's a practical technique. Practice mindfulness meditation. This involves paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you notice a negative thought arising, simply acknowledge it and let it pass. Also, keep a gratitude journal where you write down things you're grateful for each day. This will help you shift your focus from what's lacking in your life to what you already have. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and encourage you to pursue your goals. Seek out mentors, join a mastermind group, or simply connect with friends and family who lift you up. From humble beginnings, Elon Musk, driven by a vision to revolutionize transportation and space exploration, faced countless setbacks and near failures. Yet his unwavering belief in his vision and his relentless pursuit of innovation have transformed industries and inspired a generation. But it's not just about the big names, it's about the everyday heroes who are making a difference in their own lives and communities. Think of the single mother who went back to school to earn her degree, the entrepreneur who launched a successful business from her kitchen table, or the volunteer who dedicated her time to helping others. These aren't just stories, they're proof that your transformation is possible. Your journey is unique, but the fire inside you burns just as bright. Clarity, courage, consistency, and connection. These are the sparks that light your path. You have everything you need to create a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. The journey won't always be easy, but it will be yours. Trust your inner compass, embrace the journey with curiosity and courage, and remember to nurture your spirit along the way. The world is waiting to see what you create, so take a deep breath, step forward, be confident, and know that you are capable of amazing things. Don't be afraid to experiment, to learn, and to grow, and to get things wrong. The path to a fulfilling life is not a straight line, it's a winding road filled with unexpected twists and turns. Embrace the uncertainty, celebrate the small wins, and never stop believing in yourself. Your potential is limitless and the world needs your unique gifts. Go explore, go discover, and go live the life that's calling you forward. The time is now. If this sparked something inside you, subscribe for more life-changing inspiration. Share your journey below. We're stronger together.